Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to take a look at another product. And this product is actually small but compact and everything built in. So we're going to take a look at it, see what you get when you push them like this off the shelf. This actually came ready to go. If you guys can see it, open it up, and it's very simple to put together. All right, so we're going to open it up here first time. You guys can see it comes with multiple colors. So if you're going to demonstrate in the background different scenarios, this is probably it. If you're doing any kind of modeling and you're going to need a different background colors, this might be it for you guys. So I'm going to open it up. The instructions are located in the actual system itself. And it's going to show you exactly what to do with it. Put this out. These are all the colors that they give you. Look at this. They give you the orange, blue, red, green, white, and black. It's pretty much all the colors you get. Open it up, simple. Fold it up. All you got to do is fold the other side too. Simple to fold it. All you got to do is fold all the sides. Get the corners in here. All right, we're going to connect them with these. Pretty much you twist them. That's it. So we're going to get one on the one side here. We'll remove this out of the way. One. Got to find the other location here. Twist it. Do the same thing here. Same thing here. We could do it from the inside out. Either way, we're going to put this all together. All of them. Make sure they're all twisted in there. All right, we got our camera entry here in the top. So you can film from the top, or if you want to put this on the side, you can. All right, let's take a look at the inside. If you guys can see the inside, it's covered already, it's protected. We're gonna go into details too also inside. So it's very simple. LEDs all around the top, and you can change the colors, like I said, but we're gonna keep it white today. We're gonna do a demo on it. So let's go ahead and put this back in here. All right, so if you guys can see, the LED has an entry point in here. This is for the micro USB. So it just pretty much have to find the entry, and that's it. That's the USB connected, all right? Micro USB. And then of course they give you this power cord here that you control the light, all right? So very simple. If you can see it, modes on and off, down and up, all right? That's pretty much it. This is a power button here that you need to turn on. So let's go ahead and turn that on. All right, we got the power modes in here. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the modes. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna turn on button, and all the lights turn on inside. All right, very simple. And then we're gonna go ahead and change the modes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and change different modes. All right, we're gonna change it to different mode. This is kind of like a dual mode. All right, that's pretty much 3 modes. If you guys can see it, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the original one. I like this one, the daylight. And then you could actually turn it down. You guys can see it really down, and then I'm going to turn it all the way up higher. That's pretty much it. All right, so that's the control. And now if you guys can see it, we're going to put this on the side. Easy to demo from the side angle, if you guys can see it. And we're also going to shoot from the top, and there's this hole on the top that they have, right? You could push it forward towards you. That's the top angle, and people can't notice anything around your surrounding because it's all embedded in there. Very simple. If you can see it. If you guys can see it, I like that they give you all around surrounding LED lights. This is made perfect for small little products like this. If you're gonna demo this stuff, I'm gonna pull back a little bit. So easy to actually set up this thing on the go anywhere pretty much. I like that the LED lights cover the top one angle, and then there's another angle LED lights in here. And then if you want to shoot from the top, you can do that too on your surrounding. These are easy to just take off. It's just a twist. It's like bottle tops, you know, you twist them and pretty much put them away, and they all fit. Everything fits in your case that you came, including the colors, the multiple colors you could set up on these things. Very simple to set up. In 3 seconds you could set up this thing and do your demo. in order to hang the different cloth, there's a little, if you guys can see, little wedges that you have to push out from the inside, and you can just pretty much hang this in there and change the multiple colors, if you guys can see it. Really awesome. So they do have a green screen, they have a purple, black, red, different colors that you can get included with. Very simple, like I said, easy to hang, easy to take off. So you can do this while this thing's set up, or you can just take it off easily. Easy to put it back on. And of course, we're going to take it apart right now and put it away. All right, let's take it apart. Simple. Plug them all in. Plug them all in. Plug them all in, and that's it. That's pretty much what you need to do. Simple, on the go. And then you put this on a little bag if you want them. You don't want to lose these, so you want to keep them somewhere where you're going to be safe. And this actually fits back in the bag. So let's go ahead and put it together. Put it back in here, here, here. And then we're going to fold this back how we had it. Like bag. We'll lose it. Put it together. In here. Zip it up. Very simple. Easy to put back together. Easy to take apart. You don't have to do anything else. So if you guys like it, make sure you guys subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.